Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Wire VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Wire connections. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Wire users? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your data stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your Wire connection never leaves you vulnerable. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers you're routing through. But the places where they differ, well, that's what really matters for Wire setups. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Wire because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could mess with your Wire's performance or security, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with trusted devices for a super secure, private Wire environment. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your entire Wire setup across all your devices at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so anyone tech-savvy with Wire can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. It's special sauce. It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for your Wire devices. And for any Wire user dealing with lag or slow connections, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your traffic for a potential boost. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that faster speed. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Wire? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag and smoother overall performance. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with ping that can spike depending on the server you choose. So, which VPN should you pick? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if blazing fast Wire speeds are your top priority, and you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you've got a ton of gadgets or a whole household relying on your Wire connection. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Wire user who needs evidence to back up the claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for your Wire. See you soon.